What's up guys, Shehbaz here. Today I have received and going to unbox a giant battery mid-budget phone, Samsung Galaxy M51 with a big battery and almost flagship features at a very reasonable price. Much to our expectations, the Samsung Galaxy M51 strikes a great balance between price and performance. So sit tight, please watch the full video content. Coming up next. Welcome again. So let's start unboxing. Here is a warranty card, an IMEI token, a SIM ejecting key, and other paper instructions. This is the beast, the giant battery phone. We'll discuss later. A 25 watts fast charger with C to C charging, a USB-C cable. The package does not include the silicone cover and hands-free. So here is the masterpiece, Samsung Galaxy M51 with Infinity O display, quad camera and 7000 mAh battery. Let's remove the cover. Wow, this is a legend. It's a little bit heavy but feels and looks pretty good. Let's start the device. Alright, the device has powered on. In the M series, Samsung can experiment since such models have limited sales in online channels, are not widely represented, and cannot eat off the sales of the main line. As an experiment, the Galaxy M51 is equipped with a large battery with the capacity of 7000 mAh and at the same time balanced across the screen, chipset, and tried to make the device interesting in terms of operating time. And it came out in full measure. The model shows record results. There are not a single comparable device in this parameter, keeping at the same time quite good cameras for their segment. Samsung has made an interesting device for those looking for a long playing solution. This model simply does not have direct competitors. The operating time is recorded in all aspects, but the price is not the smallest, so it makes sense to think to what extent the running time will make you look at this unit. And is it enough? Let's take a look at the device together. The model is available in two colors, black and white. The body is made for ordinary plastic, while it was made iridescent and varnished. This is good, as it avoids scratches, marks from hands. They are not visible on the case like Galaxy M31s. Scratch resistance is a big plus. The back panel is rounded. The device fits well in the hand, although the smartphone is wide and heavy. Dimensions 163.9 by 76.3 by 9.5 mm. Weight 213 grams. Actually, this is a male apparatus which follows from the size. The layout of the device is a typical. At the bottom, there is a speaker as well as a USB Type-C connector, 3.5 mm audio jack, a microphone. The second microphone is on the top. Noise cancellation works fine. On the right side, there is a paired volume key and an on-off button. The fingerprint sensor is in the same key. It works perfectly. Unlocking by face is standard. It also works good. On the left side, there is a slot for 2 nano SIM cards as well as memory card. It is not combined. The speaker is hidden behind a grill above the screen. The device is not protected against dust and water, which is normal for this segment. The build quality of the device is excellent. There are no complaints about it. Let's talk about display. The technical characteristics of the screen are as follows: 6.7 inches, 1080 by 2400 pixels, 20 by 9 aspect ratio, Super AMOLED Plus, 393 ppi, automatic brightness control, always on display, Corning Gorilla Glass 3, maximum brightness 420 nits. The front camera is cut into the screen. There is always on display. This is the ability to see a clock or screensaver on the screen, notification icons, and quickly switch to applications. The screen remains readable in the sun. The brightness is sufficient for any work. The diagonal of the screen is ideal for watching videos, viewing photos, and reading text. This is a versatile smartphone, and the fact that it has such a good display sets it apart from all the competition. AMOLED is a huge plus for this segment. Let's talk about battery. The smartphone has a built-in 7000 mAh battery. It supports fast charging, and it comes with 25 watts charger. There is no wireless charging, but this is normal for this segment. On average, with only mobile data, various applications, this device gives 12 to 14 hours of the screen without any savings. This means even the most difficult subscriber a couple of days of work. For everyone else, this is a 5 to 6 days of battery life. No other device today provides such an operating time. And here it is not only the battery capacity but a combination of factors. Here is the Snapdragon 730G 8nm processor. The chipset is quite productive. That's good and very smooth for playing games, watching movies, using mobile data, and other activities. The Galaxy M51 has received dual-band Wi-Fi, which is already a big plus. This is supported by VHT-80, which provides a good data transfer speeds. Also, Bluetooth 5.0 version, NFC Google Pay is present. Everything works just fine. For the point of view of navigation, everything is also very good. GPS, AGPS, Kelunas, Beidou. A cold start on city streets take 2 to 3 seconds. The navigation accuracy is excellent, no complaints. Let's talk about camera. The camera interface is familiar to other Samsung models. There are no discoveries here. There are Pro Mode, AR emoji, and other effects. Front camera 32 megapixel, f2.2, bokeh effect, various additional effects, no autofocus. Everything is familiar here and at the level of other models. The main camera included 4 sensors. Let's look at examples of photos and videos. They are incomparable with the flagships, but in their price segment, everything is not bad. This is a typical quality for models of this level. Let's talk about software features. The model is originally based on Android 10 and One UI. That is, this is the latest version of the interface, which in the literal sense can be called one of the best in terms of flexibility, of settings and capabilities, as well as in other points. A few words about the multimedia capabilities of the device. It has a built-in radio with the ability to record programs. The headphones act as antenna. Standard applications are represented by a calculator, file manager, voice recorder, and other applications that are necessary for comfortable work out of the box. Unlike the older models, there are no Bixby button. There is a clearly marketing division into older and younger models. The function is cool. It's a pity that it was abandoned in the younger models. Choose your Galaxy phone right now. You can get the big battery masterpiece, Samsung Galaxy M51 right now at draws.pk. Please check the link in the description. We hope you will like this video. If you do, please hit the like button, share and comment below the video. Also, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Peace out.